On COVID-19, Australia says it will secure almost 85 million doses of coronavirus vaccine if two promising trials proved successful. Prime Minister Scott Morrison said the country had struck two deals that will allow free doses to be rolled out in 2021 if they were approved for the use. Mr. Morrison estimated the cost to be $1.7 billion. Australia's 25 million people could begin receiving doses from January, but there were no guarantees, he said. However, the agreement put Australia at the top of the queue if the medical experts give the vaccine the green light, the Prime Minister said.
Different vaccine projects around the world today. Some of those are well advanced, like the AstraZeneca proposal, and that they're turning up with the University of Oxford. And should we be in a position for the trials to be successful, we would hope that this would be made available early next year. If it can be done sooner than that, great. But we are very much in the hands of people wearing white coats, and there's plenty around here today, and they've been doing tremendous work, not just here, but all around the world.
One vaccine is from Oxford University and pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca, while the other is a local one from the University of Queensland and CSL. Both will most likely require people to take two doses. Australia has recorded more than 26,000 coronavirus cases and 769 deaths, most in the past 2 months, after an outbreak in Victoria. The state announced on Saturday it was extending its strict lockdown for another 2 weeks before gradually easing restrictions. Under the plan, people in Melbourne will not be able to visit other households for group gatherings until at least late November. Most of the vaccines will be manufactured in Australia at biotechnology company CSL, the government said. The nation has agreement for 33.8 million doses of the Oxford vaccine and 51 million doses of UK vaccines. The vaccine is in phase 3 of clinical trials and has been tested on 30,000 people, making it one of the world's most advanced. Australia announced last month it had secured access to the vaccine. The UKCL vaccine is in phase 1 of clinical trials involving tests on small control group. The Australian government has said that immunization won't be compulsory but strongly encouraged. The nation is aiming for a 95% vaccination rate. Mr. Morrison said Australia also remained committed to ensure vaccine access for its neighbours in the Pacific and Southeast Asia.